Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Brooke. So I just got ready, about to go to the sauna. It's an infrared sauna. I've had a lot of like respiratory issues the past like 6-7 months, so my friend really recommended me trying this out, so I'm really excited to go. Just got ready. Show you guys what I'm wearing. So I just have on this really loose tee from Brandy Melville. I have some joggers on because I'm gonna be sweating, and putting on leggings like this, not gonna be fun. So I have just like loose joggers, and then I have this jacket because it's really cold out. I've got my scrunchie also from Brandy Melville so I can pull my hair up, and I'm gonna go grab a juice while I'm out because they're literally next door to each other. So I'm gonna go do that, take you guys with me. I think I'm gonna film like just like a chill evening in my life. I'm not really doing much. It's like 2:30, so about to head out. I'm starting the vlog kind of late, but just showing you guys like what I'm doing tonight. I didn't put on any makeup today just because I didn't need to. Not really going anywhere important, so just wanted to let my skin breathe. All right, I need to grab my purse and my phone. Okay, so I just got back from the sauna. It was so freaking awesome, like literally. I could just tell like a big difference in how I felt after. My skin feels amazing, my breathing feels a lot better already. I'm definitely gonna start going more often. It was totally worth it. And I also listened to like the Calm app when I was in there, which was so freaking nice. Like if you have like anxiety or depression or just want to relax, it's really great. Highly recommend. So now I'm just gonna go and cook some dinner real quick. I have squash and zucchini that I want to use tonight, so maybe something with that. I also picked up one of these. It's the Be Calm patch. I'm gonna try this out and see how it works. I don't know, I thought it looked really cool, so I'm gonna try this out later. Just cooking some dinner. I've got some onions and bell pepper. I'm just sauteing, and some olive oil. I'm also snacking on some watermelon over there. I'm just making just some pasta. This is 100% organic brown rice, gluten-free pasta. This is a really good and healthy one. I really like this one, so we're gonna use some of that. And I've just cut up some zucchini, some squash, and then I have a little bit of garlic that I'm gonna throw in. Just letting my water boil right now. I love cooking so much. Okay, so I just made dinner. I made some pasta with veggies, and then I was out of like actual garlic bread, so I just like toasted bread with olive oil and put like garlic seasoning on it for garlic bread. It looks really good. I'm about to go eat. And Catfish comes on tonight, so I'm gonna go watch it. Alright, so I'm about to do my skincare for the night. If you guys haven't seen my skincare video, I will link it in the description down below for you guys so you can check it out. But I'm just gonna clean my face, moisturize, do all that jazz. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a cup of tea before bed. I do this sometimes I don't, just really depends, but I've been like staying up really late, so having a cup of tea just really relaxes me and helps me to be able to, you know, go to sleep. I'm just gonna do like the nighttime one. Another one of my favorites is the lemon, ginger, and manuka honey. That one's amazing, but I'm gonna just do a cup of the nighttime tea to help me go to sleep, if I can get the box open. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here and go to bed because I am exhausted. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to stay stellar. Bye.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.